I'm Josh Adamo, and this is how you make salad Olivier. So this is a Russian salad. It's an Eastern European salad. I learned how to make it when I was working for a Russian couple in the south of France as a private chef. One of the ladies that worked in the house, she made it for the staff all the time. And so that's what myself and everyone else that worked in the house, that's what we ate a lot most of the week. That and some fresh baguette. And it was really good, really amazing. So I still remember how to make it. I still eat it from time to time. The lady that taught me how to make it, her name was Radika, and she's very lovely. Radika, if you're watching this video, thank you for teaching me how to make this salad, if you can understand what I'm saying. So it's basically a salad of root vegetables, potato, and carrot, some poached eggs, some ham, some pickles, some peas, tin peas work well, and some fresh onion and some dill. I think the onion part's optional, but I quite like the onion in there. It's dressed with mayonnaise, salt and pepper, very simple. It is delicious, and I'm gonna teach you how to make it. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start by peeling the carrot and the potato, all right? Basically, we're gonna peel them and we're gonna cook them. All right? So I'll just cut the top off a little bit, all right? That's that. Same thing with the potato. Great. Easy breezy. So we have our pot, we have our water, some salt in the water, season the water up. Potatoes are gonna go in. Carrots in, all right? We'll probably cook those for like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. When they're about 10 minutes away, we're gonna drop the eggs in. We're gonna hard boil the eggs in the same pot. Then we'll cool them down, we'll dice them, and we'll mix them into the salad. And it'll be great. It's a lot easier to work with petals. Okay, in this way, you're just gonna end up with a lot more consistent brunoise or, small dice, whatever you wanna call it. It's a lot more controlled to do it this way. Knock them down. You can see the onion, it's quite uniform. It's just nicer, So now I'm gonna cut the cornichon, same, bit bigger, probably the same size as the ham. This salad's a lot better if you use like Russian branded stuff. Like you can get Russian mayonnaise. I'll try to edit that picture of the mayonnaise into the video so you can see it. If there's like a Russian supermarket somewhere near you can buy it because it actually makes a big difference, and Russian pickles as well. I'm gonna use good old-fashioned American Hellmann's mayonnaise. Pickles, ham, diced poached ham, white onion, brunoise nice and small. We have potatoes cooking, carrots cooking, and we're gonna put some eggs into this pan in probably about 10 minutes. And the eggs are gonna cook. Then we're gonna cool these down. We're gonna dice the eggs. We're gonna dice these, and then we're gonna mix them all together with mayonnaise, some dill, some salt and pepper, and then we're gonna have salad Olivier. And then we're gonna eat it and enjoy it because it's delicious. Potato, I would say quite small, like small to medium dice, I would say is better. Egg. back right now. Okay, mayonnaise, pepper, put a little bit of white vinegar. Let's see where that gets us. Make me want to like invade Poland. All right, so adjust your seasoning a little bit of salt if you need it, a little pepper, a little vinegar. All right, give it a mixy, nicey. It's pretty delicious. All right, I'm just gonna put it in a little bowl to eat. Bowl. A little bit of dill. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is salad Olivier.